Hello students, in the last session we have started the fourth lesson in comprehension unit, A Masiha for the Abandoned Sikh by Saudik Biswas. In this unit there is given a Gurmeet Singh named person who always was helping the patients in government hospital Patna. In the first paragraph there is given a atmosphere of government medical hospital Patna. It is a damp and grubby facility with lime green walls and stained tiled floors. Half a dozen of gurneys for sick patients are scattered all over the room. A fetid smell of urine and state food fills the air. This information is given about the wards in Patna Medical Hospital. In the second paragraph, there is given information about number first patients whose name was Manju. She is a young woman who has had her limbs amputated after she was hit by a train. She was also pregnant. The nurses call her Manju. Questions about her family, home and the father of baby draw blank. Some nights ago they found her weeping on the cold floor after she was bitten by rats. But when Singh enters the ward, her face lights up and she smiles wanly. There is given a second information about the second patient. A bed-ragged woman with wild hair and wearing dirty green jacket or a torn cotton gown trembles all the time. Tonight she was holding a loaf of bread that the hospital gave in the morning. Next patient's information on there is given a Tapan Bhattacharya, whose name was Tapan Bhattacharya. His age nearly about 40, lies in a bed with his leg in traction. He says he landed up here with a broken femur after the auto rickshaw he was traveling in overturned. He was asking Gurmeet Singh, can you find for him a job? I have nobody and now where to go. In another room across the ward, two patients, Sudhir and Farhan, appear to be lost in their own world. Boarding bread and fruit from breakfast and waiting for their next meal. There is a stream of pale blood and urine flowing on the floor under his bed, but as soon as Singh waddles into the ward, there is a prison of excitement among its inmates. When Gurmeet Singh enters the ward in the Patna hospital, all patients smiles. Their faces changed in a happy mood. Their weary faces light up. Some even manage to break into a smile. By day, Singh, a genial 60 years old person, works at the family-owned clothes shop in a bustling city market. Gurmeet Singh has a owner of a clothes shop. His age was near about 60. By night, he is a corner of vast 90-year-old 1760 bed state-run Patna Medical College and Hospital. One patient's ward every night with food and medicines. He always was taking foods and medicines for patients. Singh has been visiting the abandoned patients ward every night with food and medicines. He hasn't been on a vacation or stepped out of Patna for the past 13 years because he says he cannot abandon the abandoned. त्याने पाठीमागच्या 13 वर्षापासून एकदाही व्हेकेशन घेतलं नव्हतं पटना हॉस्पिटलला भेटण्यापासून, जेणेकरून ज्या ॲबंडन पीपलला त्याला भेटता येईल यासाठी, जेणेकरून पेशंट्सला त्याला भेटता येईल. त्यामुळे त्याने गेल्या 13 वर्षापासून एकही दिवस सुट्टी घेतलेली नव्हती किंवा कुठेही व्हेकेशनला तो गेलेला नव्हता. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ही कॅनॉट ॲबंडन द ॲबंडन, की ज्या पेशंट्सला होम नाही, कोणी वारीस नाही, त्या पेशंट्सला ऑलरेडी ते ॲबंडन आहेत, त्यांना मी ॲबंडन करू शकत नाही. द unfailing devotion of his patients is matched by Singh's unchanging routine. Around 9 every evening, he leaves his modest apartment. All his 5 brothers live on a floor in one of the city's oldest high-rise and heads to the hospital. He picks up some money to pay for medicines. The 5 brothers put away 10% of their monthly earnings in a donation box at home to pay Singh's patients that are not provided by the hospital, where treatment is free. On the way, he stops at one of the many cheap holes in the all eateries that dot Patna to pick up rotis, vegetables, salad, eggs, curd to feed to his patients. की तो दररोज संध्याकाळी 9 वाजता तो काय करायचा, त्याच्या घरून पेशंट्सला भेटण्यासाठी निघत असे आणि निघताना तो सम मनी काही पैसे घेत असे की जेणेकरून पटना हॉस्पिटलमधील जे ॲबंडन पेशंट्स आहेत त्यांना फूड आणि मेडिसिन्स नेण्यासाठी. त्याचे भाऊ पण एक डोनेशन बॉक्स त्यांनी घरी तयार केला होता आणि ते मंथली 10% त्या डोनेशन बॉक्समध्ये टाकत होते, मंथली अर्निंगचे 10%, की जेणेकरून पेशंट्सला मदत होईल. Once Singh reaches the ward, he inquires about the patient's condition. Every time when he entered the ward in Patna Medical Hospital, he inquires the patient's health condition, playing at once nurse, doctor, provider and kin. He was playing a role of a nurse, role of a doctor, role of a provider, because he was providing a food and medicine for the patients and kin like a relative. He goes through their prescriptions and pays for the more expensive medicines, tests, scans and chemotherapy for cancer patients. He also donates a lot of blood. Then he takes out the shining steel plates and caringly serve the food. Tonight the menu is hot rice, hot rotis, vegetables and curd and a sweet. Today's menu was from him to the patients were rotis, vegetables, curd and a sweet. The gruel that hospital provides for dinner is usually left uneaten. जे हॉस्पिटलकडून प्रोव्हाइड केलं जायचं ते आजचं अनइटनच राहणार होतं, किंवा गुरमीत सिंगने व्हेजिटेबल्स सलाड घेऊन आल्यामुळे ते तसंच राहणार होतं. देन इन अ बिट द पेशंट्स आर ओल्पिंग डाऊन देअर फर्स्ट प्रॉपर मील ऑफ द डे. ऑल दे नीड इज सम डिग्निटी अँड सम केअर. की जे फूड्स त्यांना विथ डिग्निटी मिळत होतं, विथ केअरिंग मिळत होतं. द गव्हर्नमेंट इज नॉट इवन एबल टू प्रोव्हाइड दॅट. इन द पास्ट 22 years that I have been coming here, he is saying, Gurmeet Singh is saying that he has been coming here from past 22 years. Nothing has improved in this ward. Nothing, says Singh. Singh's involvement began 2 decades ago when a woman selling plastic bags turned up at his shop carrying a badly scalded boy in her arms. It was a hot day. I saw tears in her eyes. Then I saw her boy who had got burnt. I took them to this hospital and found that there was nobody to treat him. The doctors were on strike. The poor and the abandoned were the worst affected. I was very angry. I decided to do something about it. केव्हापासून भेट देत होता गुरमीत सिंग या हॉस्पिटलला? 20 वर्षापूर्वीपासून, की ज्या वेळेस एक वुमन त्याच्या मुलाला पाठीवरती घेऊन प्लास्टिक्स गोळा करत होते आणि त्या मुलाला भाजलेलं होतं. त्याला हॉस्पिटलला घेऊन गुरमीत सिंग आला होता. तेव्हापासून तो या पटना मेडिकल हॉस्पिटलला भेट देण्यासाठी नेहमी येत असे. ऑथॉरिटीज वॉन्ट टू फेट हिम फॉर his work and have sent him letters of admiration, but the good Samratian prepares to shun the spotlight. Tonight he is busy feeding the disabled woman who is having her first proper meal of the day. Then he will tuck her under a blanket for the night. He is like God, comes a voice from the ward as the diminutive sick man puts out the light and shuts the door to keep the cold out. He will be back again tomorrow night. Authorities of the Patna Medical Hospital always admires the good Samaritan named Gurmeet Singh for his helping nature. Today he was busy feeding the patients. Someone is saying that he is like a god. Voice comes from the ward. One of them put out the light and shuts the door to keep the cold out, because he thought that Gurmeet Singh will come tomorrow again. So lesson is over here. There is given a note about Gurmeet Singh. Let's see the note. Since then, Gurmeet Singh's work has been interrupted somewhat. He is unable to offer food to the patients currently. After appearing this article online, the superintendent of Patna Medical College and Hospital says patients should be offered food approved by doctors. The hospital has sanctioned rupees 25,000 for the Lawaris ward so that patients are taken care of. They are offered good food and fruits. Singh, however, continues to serve patients in the ward with medicines and care. He is hopeful that he will find a way to serve food to them once again. हा लेख ज्यावेळेस आर्टिकल्स ज्यावेळेस पब्लिश झालं त्याच्यानंतर गुरमीत सिंगला त्या ठिकाणी बॅन केलं गेलं. त्या ठिकाणी येऊ दिलं जात नाही. की जे सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पटना मेडिकल कॉलेजचे आहेत किंवा हॉस्पिटलचे आहेत त्यांनी सांगितलं की पेशंट्स शुड बी ऑफर्ड फूड अप्रूव्ड बाय द डॉक्टर्स. फक्त डॉक्टर्सनीच अप्रूव्ह केलेलं फूड त्यांना दिलं गेलं पाहिजे. त्यामुळे आम्ही गुरमीत सिंगला अलाउ करत नाही. किंवा प्रत्येक पेशंटला 25,000 गव्हर्नमेंटकडून दिले जातात. त्याच्यामुळं गुरमीत सिंगला त्या ठिकाणी अलाउ केलं जात नाही अशी नोट या ठिकाणी ॲट द एंड ऑफ द लेसन दिलेली आहे. सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हिअर. We will see the next lesson or the questions and answers of this lesson in the next session. Thank you very much.